Okay. James got his 2-month vaccinations today. And they said he might have a little fever, so I'll have to give him some Tylenol. And I think he's... Oops. Oh, well, he seemed pretty happy with that. So now I'm going to give it to him. And we'll see if he likes it. Oh. Ready? Oh, crap. And some of it didn't go in. Okay, ready? Now, it's grape flavored. I guess he likes it, okay. Hang on.